Hi everybody, Dr. Dennis Mariano here, and this is one of the longest term patients that we have. This is Bert.
Hi.
He's been here for about 25 years now, I
Yeah.
believe. And Bert is here because we are trying to keep his body healthy by making sure the brain and nerve system are talking to each other. So again, if you've watched some of our videos already, we've already explained the mechanism behind why people get adjusted. And again, what we are doing today is making sure that you see that there are techniques in chiropractic that are very gentle, that are not loud or that are not scary, but still has the same results, if not better results, because really chiropractic is about allowing your brain and nerve system to talk to each other, making sure there's no interference in the spine so that the messages are able to communicate with each other. So we're going to do an analysis now. Good. And he has what's called rib torque. The whole rib cage is rotated clockwise. So we've fixed that by breathing in and breathe out. Two more. Again. Hold this again. Relax now. Hold this again. And the pubic bone gets misaligned as well. A lot of times people adjust just the spine alone and the SI joints and the sacrum. Don't forget the very front, there's a disc in there, and that can also misalign as well, and that's what we're correcting now. Squeeze together. And good. And do the opposite, push outward, and feet straight out. Deep breath, and out. Again, breathe in, and out. Again, breathe, and out. What we're doing is called a respiratory adjustment. You can actually allow the body to make an adjustment very gently by working with the breath. Breathe again, and out. Good. Cross your arms, face that way. Hold. Hold. Arms in front, hands together. Hold. No, that's fine. Hold. Yeah, that's better. Use the stick a lot.
Okay.
Any questions?
Nope.
Good. All right, so that's our gentle, no cracking adjustment. Again, there are many ways to adjust the nervous system and the spine, and this is one method that we use that's very gentle. Again, Dr. Dennis Mariano, and this is our friend Bert here, and we'll talk to you soon.
Been lifelong friends.
Yeah, have a good day.